We cannot talk about advantages of day trading without discussing the disadvantages of day trading. What are the disadvantages of day trading? Number one, in the beginning, there's a high probability of losses. You're gonna lose more than you're gonna win. And you're gonna have to overcome that somehow. Either you trade a paper account, a simulator account, or you have enough money to continue to redeposit in your brokerage account, and some people do, because it's different game trading a paper account from a live account. Because a lot of people, they are very successful at the simulator, and they go to live account and brings that psychological pressure that they cannot deal with. They realize they have a whole lot of other problems that they have to deal with. So there's many ways you can overcome that, but at the end of the day, there's a high probability of losses, especially in the beginning. Now after that, you're gonna be a lot better, you're a lot more successful, and it's gonna be a lot easier for you. Fees and taxes. Well, day traders, unlike a professional trader that works for a proprietary company, at the end of the year is going to get something called K1 schedule, which is nothing but a partnership. It just says that you made that $100,000 from this broker, from this account, from this particular firm. It doesn't say anything else. It's not considered an investment. For the retail trader, however, it's an investment. So taxes comes up based on how long you held that. And day traders have the highest tax brackets, more than the long term investment. Long term investment is a lot less taxes. So you're gonna pay for those winning trades. You're gonna pay taxes. Some of the losing trades, you're gonna have something called a wash sale tax condition, which means some of it will not count toward your losses, unfortunately. I'm not an accountant. You can ask your accountant about that, but this is a disadvantage of day trading if you're a retail trader. It doesn't stop you from doing it, because I can tell you right now, I'd rather make $1 million and pay $400,000 in taxes than make $100,000 and pay 10%. Because that 10% is going to be $10,000. So at the end of the day, I'll be going home with $600,000, not $90,000. So I don't mind the taxes, because I get paid at the end of the day anyway. The third one, high stress. I have worked with very successful people, very happy people. Once they go into day trading, they stress out because they never experienced the losses that could come in. A lot of people, let's just say, they start realizing about their own greed, their own fears from day trading. Day trading is nothing but you and the screen in front of you, and it's going to show you exactly who you are. If you stop for a few days and think about what you did last week, let's say every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, you look at your trades. You're supposed to log your trades. You log your trades. You put it on the checklist and the trading plan, and you come on the weekend and you review those trades to see what you did wrong. It's gonna stare you in your face. It's gonna tell you you were so greedy. You thought it was gonna make so much money until it flipped against you, and you still didn't sell, and now you end up with losses. That piece of paper is gonna show you who you really are. So it is high stress for some people. Number 4, time consuming and challenging. Time consuming because if you really are intraday trader and you are all day thing, so you don't have any other day job, and you sit on the front of the computer waiting for a trigger bar to happen, it will be time consuming. At some point, I used to sit on that computer at 9 o'clock in the morning and do not get off that computer until 4 p.m. unless for break or coffee or bathroom break or something like that. So it is time consuming unless you automate it using limit orders, liquidation orders, stop orders, things like that. And of course, it requires money. Day trading requires money. Don't let anybody else fool you and tell you otherwise. If you This is a business. This is a game that you go into the market with some money and you say, let me see how much money I can make with the money I have. Other jobs require your time. Other jobs require time and skill. But this particular profession requires money to make money. Of course, skills as well, but you have to have money on the line to make money. It's not your time on the line, it's your money. So it requires deep pockets.
Thank you for watching. Share this with friends and family, and please subscribe.